Categorize client preferences with interest tags to personalize recommendations and boost engagement. Interest tags help you understand your audience needs and interests so you can build stronger connections and discover new opportunities. Easily create reports and dashboards to show common themes and interests across groups. Create custom interest tags that capture customer needs, interests, and prospecting opportunities. You can tag person accounts with hobbies such as golf or skiing. For big business clients, you can apply tags that represent their investment interests, such as healthcare, communications, or environmental, social, and governance investing. Organize tags by using tag categories that group similar interest tags together. Categories keep things tidy and make them easy for everyone to find and use a consistent set of tags and tag categories. Create reports and dashboards grouped by tag categories that show common themes and interests across your clients. Enhance client relationships through personalized service and identify opportunities to grow the customer relationship. Add interest tags to transform your client interactions today.